Welcome to Hpmtech. Today's new video: UBL customized area response trading, Malicious accounted activities, including funded with hardware. UBL VR comes in the first. The customer of the United Bank Limitation have found and critical lives are receiving messaging and fund transfer, bill payment, or online purchasing without these and knowledge of concentration. Accepted source and customer one of the ones the leading Bank of Pakistan have complained and they have lost this money back in the last couple and this banking service and facing in technology issues. Twitter bans and misleading claimation changing proper ads. We don't know and now listen and behave such include but in a strong explanation is the UBL data goals and destination. UBL we are to come first. The sponsor of Oppo F21 Pro available now. A press source and the customer once reading Bank of Pakistan have combined and lost the report and the latest couples of the days and banking service and facing technical issues. Twitter bans and damaged climate and changing protected ads VR and such include but in a strong successful and UBL global authorization is possible. Possible reason in hacking which is done by checking ATM's machine and such interestation information and debit cards duplicated and the interest into machine to key and point this in card also installs entire keys and loggers installation and these and cards used in the internet. The aggregate and the customer fee and briefed and by banking inspection and the service the facing with issues that's when banking try and hard face issues. Customer features and spotted in this card be blocked on the template links. And Ford and source drop in Pakistan proved that and UBL data has been covered this in which SWIFT transaction happened this and the claim we and was not verified identity by customer every tools in Twitter and other platform and the discovered in their issues. And I will not and receive any update their name and the customers in inspection with the bank's dismission and my constant in the saving that she and also his. We have never and with years I will flat and dispute and the ITS Bank weekly portable for you up to soon you are sold that some the trap and tracking heads and the hires many some data constraint and quarter blockade and foundation duplex and happened around after times today. So let us see in the reply features. tweet. It is UBL digital data and I have just been changing 21 multiple times in desperate having internet and international PSOs transaction not activated and my cards was changing some Google pin. UBL scam alert promos and the transaction are small 2K 3K USD mostly and I've stored netted amazing college account was UBL response did we and happened आपका कार्ड ब्लॉक कर दिया है टू के टू थ्री के कंप्लेनिंग होता ज़्यादा होता तो शायद कर देते ASB and response did happen. In the comments also read comments. Shah. UBL United Bank Limited is the most unclear bank and my card was charged to it and to apple.com. I have never shared my card only aid I was doing activities for online transaction so I don't know understanding how to happen just some like and someone to liking information and click I go to my card blocked right and now life and this disposed tomorrow he is claiming bunny back and the bed my experience UBL activist business I did also give personal information not OTP generation in which and card UBL account edit VN bank held and disport from the VN multiple other forms and the UBL stop and transaction hurts and unclear say more UBL married to मेरे पास भी UBL है मेरी तो कभी नहीं है ट्रांजैक्शन भी आई कंप्लेंट ऑफ हो अनप्लीड टू बैंक डियर कस्टमर UBL मास्टर कार्ड हैज़ बीन चार्जेस ऑन PK FEM for dear customer UBL Mastercard has been charged on 14 April 2022 at 11:30 p.m. for PKR. It is pro and content some in United Bank Limited. Computer issues have responded yet. Sun has responded question and needed update. Customers and target social media hard assistant shop and demand drone. In recent years and the digital banking has been increased issues data and breach have solved very few Pakistan debatation and banking regulation and ministry issues and the policy not only banks and demanded insurance federal board of revenues and FPR ministry financial also faced data spectacular in the past month financial industry public and private stocks sold and compression strategy and the projected customer and system from hacking and attention also read HBL launched industry solution HBL launched faster banking online Pakistan and reading. Like, subscribe, press the bell icon for latest mission updates. Thanks for watching.